Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a print-on-demand store on Big Cartel. First, log into your Big Cartel account and go to your dashboard. Before you start, make sure you've chosen a print-on-demand provider like Printful or Printify, since they will handle printing and shipping for you. Next, connect your print-on-demand provider to your Big Cartel store if the integration is available, or prepare your products manually depending on your setup. Now go to the Products section and click Add a Product. This is where you'll create listings for your print-on-demand items like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, or posters. Upload your product designs or mock-ups provided by your print-on-demand service. Make sure the images are high quality and clearly show the design. After that, add a strong title and description. Include details like material, fit, print quality, and what makes your design special. Next, set your pricing by considering the base cost from your print provider plus your profit margin. If your provider supports variants, you can add different sizes or colors for your products. Once everything is ready, review your product carefully and click Save to publish it to your store. Finally, check your storefront to make sure everything looks professional and ready for customers. And that's it. You've successfully created a print-on-demand store on Big Cartel. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.